Welcome guys, in this video we're going to see how to define a constant, what is constants in object-oriented programming, and why we use constants in program. So let's get started. Now let's talk about constants. So we saw this, and now here in this class what I can do on the top, I can define some constants. So let's say to define a constant, you will type const, and then you can say the constant you want. So I say here constant h, and I set it to equal to 18, or let's say 21. All right, so this is a constant I set up. Now it is something that we cannot change in the program. So for example, we have the h variable public. We can change it anytime when we want in our application, but constant is something we cannot change. Now if you want to print a constant, you are going to use simply you can call the constant. So I comment this here, and to call a constant we can say here base, and then scope resolution of operator, and then h. All right, and here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply say echo. Now here I'm gonna save this, and we go to the browser and I refresh, and we get 21. So that's the constant we have. Now what is the usage of this constant, why we have it? Now for your application, let's say you have an application where you're checking users age, and you want a particular amount like this 21. If user is less than this, then you're not allowing in your code. So you can even set a variable for it, like here public dollar must older than anything you want to say 21. But the problem is this variable can be overwritten. You might set here, for example, let's say this function we are dealing with. So I'm just going to comment this here, and I'm going to uncomment the object that we have for the class, and then we are going to call the function. So I'm going to call $base, and I'm going to call function display data, or I say display data for right now. Let's create it. I'm going to comment these two argument. In this case, I'm just going to remove those argument. And inside it, what are we going to do? We are going to get the value. So here I'm going to say return this, and we have must older than. Okay, now here if I say $this must older than, and it is equal to 34. All right, so and I save this. Now if I go to the program and refresh, we get okay, we get nothing because we are returning, but we are not echoing out, so we need to put echo, and then we check here and refresh, we get 34. Now in case of constant, we can't do that. It's not going to update in that case. So what I do, I just comment these two, and here I say self, and then I call h. Now constants are always going to be uppercase, so all the letters should be uppercase. So here now I return this. Now I go to the browser and refresh, we get 21. Now let's do this. Let's try to set it. So I say here is equal to 34 again, and save, go to browser, refresh, syntax error, token equal expected to equal. So we simply cannot set it. So it's just something, it is called constant because it stays constant throughout your program. So if you need to use some values that you don't want to change, or make sure that in your program no one changes those values, you're going to create a constant. Now you will see constants in applications a lot, and use something like this, like the way we are using here for our base minimum age 21, and we can use it. Now we try to set it up, it's not gonna work. So that's how constants work. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And